Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm David Camper Van Man. This is a very exciting day for me because I have just taken delivery of this Renault 11 TXE. It's not an electronic because I've wanted one of them for years and I just can't find one. This is the next best thing. It's a TXE 1.7 and it's got a very low mileage, and although it's needing quite a lot of work, it's actually still very good for its age. So it's 40 years old and I will be doing full restoration. So come and have a look, see what we've got. Let's pop the bonnet first. It's French, so the bonnet pop is on the passenger side. Okay, bonnet opens from the windscreen side. There we go. So yeah, it's going to need a full bodywork restoration. Obviously front wings are crusty and the inner wings, yeah, there's a bit of a dirt trap there, so they're rusty. I'm not sure I like these wheels. I'm going to try and find something original from period Renault. The doors are in really good condition. The bottom of the doors are excellent. I actually think it's been painted before quite well, to be honest. Rear wheel arches, see, these plastic covers trap the dirt and I can feel rust in there. So that's going to be being dealt with. The boot floor is fantastic, but we'll need to see what's behind these. This is very good, which I'm very pleased about that, because that's quite a complex space to fix if you have to. I would say this wheel arch is better than the other one, but probably still, oh yeah, it's rusty in there. Bottoms of the doors are excellent there too. A little bit of surface rust there. I think the sills are pretty solid, but the lips have gone at the bottom, so I need to fix that. Yeah, all good there. Most of the rubbers are good. That one's slightly damaged. The weather strips, it's rusty around the weather strips there, and this wing's worse than the other side. Oh yeah, okay. I'll try not to lose too much of the shape of it so that when I come to weld it, it's going to be easier. However, and it's getting a full recommission, so we'll do shocks and springs and brakes and so on, just whatever it needs it'll get, and yeah, we'll just mint it up. So let's see if it'll start. It does have a choke. It's a while since I've started a car with a choke. Oh, that's also good. Okay, there we go. It was running earlier on, so it's reasonably warm. So hope you enjoyed the little introduction to my Renault 11 project. It's a bit of a taster. We have lots of projects to do in the meantime, so I won't be getting to it for a fair while, but I'm thinking about doing a little bit more restoration work, and this is the sort of thing I'm going to be moving into. So do stay tuned, like and subscribe, and you'll see stuff like this coming up in the future.